Hello crochet friends, this is Samantha with Yarn Over Hook. Today we're going to go over how to create a foundation single crochet. This is a super convenient, awesome technique that allows you to create your foundation chain and single crochet at the same time. So if you have a project where you have to chain 50, come back and single crochet on top of that, well, this will allow you to do it at the same time. So let's hop to it. We're going to start with our slip knot, get that on our hook. Don't want to do this too tight. I'll go more into that in just a bit. Just make sure that you don't crochet too tightly. You're going to chain 2. Then you're going to insert your hook into that first chain, right down the middle, picking up these 2 loops. Then you have 3 loops on the top of your hook, 2 loops on the bottom. I'll do that again real slow so that you can see. Insert your hook right here in the middle of that chain. Grab those 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the chain, keeping that loose. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and then pull through the remaining 2 loops. That is the first single crochet and chain for your foundation single crochet. You can't quite see where it's going on that first one, so let's just keep going. Now you're going to insert your hook on this upside down V right here. There you go. Yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through that first loop only, then you yarn over again and pull through those last 2 loops. You see that upside down V there? We're going to go into that one again to create our next single crochet. Insert your hook in there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through that first loop only, yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. Now you can see this a whole lot better. Right here we have our foundation chain. This is what would be our foundation chain. And on top of that, we have our single crochet. How neat. Let's do more. You're going to insert your hook into that upside down V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through that first loop only. That creates that chain at the bottom. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops, or those last 2 loops, and this creates your single crochet. Let's do that one more time. Insert your hook to that upside down V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through that first loop only, yarn over, and pull through those last 2 loops. Now, you don't want to do this too tight, otherwise, let's see if we can get it to do it. It's going to start curling like this if you crochet it too tight. So you want to keep it nice and loose. So then that will keep it nice and straight. Let's do a couple more. Insert your hook into that upside down V. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and pull through those last 2 loops. Insert your hook into that double V. This is that chain that we just created. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through that first loop only, yarn over, pull through those last 2 loops. Look how cool that is. You have your chain here on the bottom and all of those single crochets as well, all at the same time. What's great about this technique is that you can do this with double crochet as well. Check out the link in our bio for that video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. Check out our other videos for some awesome tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, friends!